Hello and welcome to How to Know YouTube channel. I am Laba Khan. Today's video is about lymphatic system. Hope you all are doing well. Before start the video, I want you to all to please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos from How to Know YouTube channel. So let's start the video. Today's video is on lymphatic system. First of all, what is lymphatic means? Lymphatic means blind vessels because it is closed at the end. How it look like? The vessel is look like this and you can see it is closed at the end. What is lymphatic system? A system of blind vessels that drains white fluid because it is a colorless fluid from all over the body back into the bloodstream is called lymphatic system. Now we have to understand what is the consistence of lymphatic system. What are the components through which this whole lymphatic system is made? Number 1 is lymphatics, also known as lymph vessels or we can say blind vessels. Number 2 is lymph, is white fluid or we can say colorless fluid. Number 3 is lymph node, spleen, thymus and tonsils. I have a trick for this. You may say that LLLSTT. LLLSTT. It will help you a lot to more understand. And the other components in the systems are some patches of tissues in vermiform like worm or we can say hook like appendix and small intestine. Also consists in lymphatic system. Now we forward to define these components one by one. Number 1 is lymphatic vessels. So the definition of lymphatic is lymphatics are blind vessels which carry blood throughout the body. Number 2 is lymph, a colorless body fluid or we can say a white fluid that contains lymphocytes is WBCs. It is the type of A granular WBCs, small proteins and phase. Now move to the other topic which is lymph node. This is the main component of lymphatic system because it performs the main role which is the function of filtration or to destroy of organisms like bacteria because it consists WBCs like lymphocytes and macrophages. Lymph node consists of thin, fibrous outer capsule and an inner mass of lymphoid tissues. It consists lymphocytes, antibodies and macrophages. Lymph nodes act as a filters that trap microorganisms and other foreign bodies in the lymph. Lymphatic vessels present all over the body except nervous system. Lymphatic vessels present thoracic region to the lower region except nervous system. Lymphatic system function start with the lymph capillaries. Through lymph capillaries, lymph comes into lymph vessels in which lymph valve is present to prevent lymph backflow. The direction of whole system or lymph is towards the heart. I want you to look at this picture. Here you can see the right lymphatic duct. As we said that lymphatic vessels, lymphatic capillaries, from lymphatic capillaries, lymph comes into lymph vessels. Lymphatic vessels have a lymphatic valve. So this is the whole process. Tonsil is present in the lower neck, spleen also present in thoracic region, thymus is present over the heart. It looks like a piece of meat. These vessels converge into collecting ducts that drain into veins in the lower neck. Lymph fluids are made when blood are passed through blood capillaries to all components of blood except RBCs and blood protein. 85% fluid returns into the blood at the venous end of capillary. 15% of tissue fluid drains into blindly ending lymphatic capillaries as lymph, along with WBCs, cell debris, which are non-essential and waste, and microorganisms are transported back to the heart through lymphatic system. And this is the lymphatic system whole. Hope this video will help you to understand well this topic. If you want more videos like this, and subscribe this and press the bell icon and keep tuned with me. Thank you very much.